Let's take a look at corn. My name is Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is May the 26th, 2025. It's Memorial Day in the United States. Not so much up here in Canada. We are hard at it. So let's take a look at this weekly corn futures continuous chart. And I have a couple lines on here. You probably recognize them by now. The green one is the 50-week moving average, being the weekly charts. The top one above here is the 200 period moving average, which is 200 weeks on this weekly chart. And we had talked about this maybe a week or two ago, anticipating a retest of this 50-week moving average. We got it. We found some buying stepping in at that level. And last week we had a nice, good, promising candle here forming, and we're looking for a rally from this point. I think it can happen. A bit of resistance to work, or support to work through here to act as previous resistance. This level here on at right from 450 all the way up to, I would say 470 is very critical, very important level. But right now we'll see how this week shapes up. But we got a nice little rally off the 50-week moving average. I think we'll get back up and have some convergence on this purple 200-week moving average. I'm just not sure when that's going to happen and at what level. Maybe it happens down here at this $5 level. But I see candles like this and I get excited that we can maybe retest this $5 level. And if we can do that and get above there, then, I think maybe 550 is our next level. But I'm not sure if that's going to happen. I'm not even sure when that's going to happen, but it's areas to keep an eye on as possible targets or possible resistance levels, in my opinion, with my strategy. This is the daily chart here. And, we found, again, these 200-week day moving average, and the green is the 50-day moving average. So if you're looking at the daily time frame, you definitely found some buying stepping in at this 200-day moving average, as we anticipated, as everybody anticipates. We also found some resistance from this 200-day moving average, just declining. So yeah, we did find some resistance from it. And we'll see how this week shapes up. But I wouldn't doubt that we pull back, build some more steam, and maybe break the 200-day moving average, get above 465, and maybe retest this 470 level again. But we'll see what happens tonight when the market opens up. Maybe we can, or tomorrow when it opens up, maybe we open up higher. But I wouldn't doubt we see a pullback, maybe down to 450, and then another move higher. But it remains to be seen. But right now we're below a declining 50-day moving average. We're finding resistance from that. So we really need to get above a flat to rising 200-day moving 50-day moving average before we can develop strong convictions of a uptrend, in my opinion. My name is Trent Klarenbach, sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.